Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in CorelDRAW we are going to create a glossy effect. As you can see, we will create glossy effects. So I will delete this first, and we need a circle first, a perfect circle. Then we need couple of other shapes. So I will keep it at this size, and another one a little bit smaller. This is a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to convert this into an oval rather than a circle. Now color this with some dark color. So I'm going to color this with dark blue. So this looks good, and I'm going to place it over here at the center, maybe horizontal center, not the vertical center, and then I'm going to color with light blue. Now using the blend tool, I'm going to blend these two tools, blend tool, and simply click and drag. So these two shapes will be blended together. Now increase the steps to 100. Now remove the outline by right clicking over here. Already looking pretty good. Now take this shape over here, again if possible at the center, horizontal center, and again make it to oval. Apply white color, remove the outline, right click, and now right click on it, convert to curves, change it a bit, and using the pick tool increase the size like this. Looks pretty good. And now use the transparency tool, and we are going to use the linear transparency. Simply click and drag, and you can also use shift while dragging so that it will be in straight line. Now use this midpoint to adjust the transparency properties like this. Looks pretty good, and you can change the size accordingly. So already looking good. If you want to increase the size, you can simply increase. Yes, transparency a little bit more, I think. Slightly upwards. Yes, looks pretty good. So this is how you can create gloss effect or glossy effect on any object, especially on a circle or a sphere like object. Now to change color, simply select all the objects and right click to copy this. Now I'm going to select some different colors. So I'm going to use this particular color over here. I'm going to use the darkest of shade. Now select this shape over here and use a lighter shade. Okay, looks pretty good to me, and you can try with different colors as well. So this is how you create glossy effect or gloss effect in CorelDRAW in simple steps. Do give it a go and try this out. Very interesting. Play with transparency levels, values, and also play with different colors. You will get a very good result, I'm sure of that. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.